Today we're going to talk about how I kit up and how maybe it will help you if I explain how I kit up. But basically, I'm in the process of kitting up this diamond painting from Jada Gem Shop. It measures 50 by 75. And to be honest, this kit, this diamond painting kit, along with 4 others that I ordered, have been sitting by my front door since January 2024. So for a year now, this kit and the others have been sitting by my front door. I totally forgot about it. I'm going to show you how I kit up. So I don't kit up in, I don't use the stickers that come with kits. I just finished Voyager from Diamond Art Club and all my stickers are still here. I just kit up by numbering my containers. Where I have this whole thing of Harbor Freight containers, and I have a video on these containers, and I believe they're still available, or they might be discontinuing them. Regardless, I use these containers. I numbered them 1 to 78. I know it should be like 1 to 80, but honestly, that won't fit in here. I don't think I could probably fit 2 here. Anyways, and I just look at the DMC number, and then I look at what number it is, and then I kit it up into that same thing. But I'm working on a Jada Gem Shop. If you've never worked on a Jada Gem Shop, her drills come much like other companies do. They come in sealed bags like this. So there'll be like a mixture of small bags. There'll be a mixture of bigger bags, multiple bags like this size, etc. And I've just been going through. There were 3 bags like this. I've done 1 bag because there's 78 colors in this kit. But I figured I'd do a really quick video. It's not going to be quick. I lied. I don't know why I said quick. But when I'm doing the smaller bags, I don't do them one at a time because I am a lazy diamond painter. As I said before in previous video, I should just name my channel The Lazy Diamond Painter. So I look up 798 and that's number 35. So here's 35. Then I try not to do more than 4 at a time, but I basically fold them over like this, and then I just cut it like this, and then I pour them all in at once. Okay, that failed miserably. Of course, right when I start filming, I'm failing at kitting up. The smart thing to do, which I should have done for this, would be to, and I'm just going to make sure that I got all the drills out. And with Jada Gem Shop and other companies similar to Jada Gem Shop, there's always going to be extras. So you don't really have to worry about losing like 5 drills or something like that. I've never come up short. And if I have come up short, I just message the company and then they'll just send me replacement drills. So the smart thing to do would have been to put this in my tray and then dump the drills into here, and then any drills that fell into the tray I could just put like that. But I didn't do it for this time. I don't know why. I was feeling really confident. And so some of these, I don't know if it's I think it's the weather, but so I live in Edmonton, Alberta, which is in Canada, and it's cold outside, so my furnace is on. But I noticed that when I diamond paint or kit up in the winter, I get a lot of static. So as you can see, I'm rubbing like a Q-tip in here. So if you do experience static, one thing you can do is take your Q-tip, and these are makeup Q-tips, so this tip was pointy, but this tip is pointy too. I have a bottle of alcohol. Isopropyl, okay, that's okay. That was the French side. You can tell I'm in Canada because everything's always French and English. Isopropyl alcohol. And then you just dip it in here. Get the Q-tip a little bit wet, and then I kind of just I don't know, strain it along the side so it's not overly saturated. And then we'll do this one, for example. 3815 is number 70. Okay, we're gonna do this because I don't want another fail on my hands. And then you'd cut off that, and then you would just dip the tip in your bag like this. Ah, I almost spilled it because I was looking in the screen instead of looking at it in real life. And that should get rid of the majority of the static. Then if you still find like, hey, it's like when you get static, you'll notice your drills will stick to the edges too. So if that happens, you can just swirl that in there. And then some people say like leave the container of drills open so that the alcohol has time to dry, but I don't want to do that. So I just go like that and then I put it. Wait, why am I making a tip video? I'm just showing you what works for me, okay? Hopefully you find some help from this. But this is the lazy way to kit up. 153 is 2. So again, we'll go with number 2. We'll fold these together, cut this. And I've mentioned in previous videos that I hate kitting up. I hate kitting up, I hate kitting down. So I just do what is easiest. And I know there's some people who they love kitting up, they love kitting down. That is not me. If someone is willing to kit up for me for free, I would be thankful. But I don't know any diamond painters in Edmonton. If you're in Edmonton and want to kit up my diamond paintings, message me. I'll give you a diamond painting or something in exchange for helping me kit up. I finished kitting up. Hopefully you guys found this video kind of helpful. I know it was very short, but I wanted to do a video on how I kit up. And these are the leftovers that did not fit into the container. So I just literally just keep them in a bag separate. And then when I'm done the diamond painting with Jada Gem Shop, these bags have holes in them. So there's like 2 little holes, one on each side. I put tape over the holes, and then when I kit down, I literally just pour the drills from these containers into here, and then I throw them away. I'm very sorry if this disappoints you, but I'm not going to kit down. But anyways, guys, make sure you smash the subscribe video. I can't even talk. Make sure you hit the subscription button if you haven't subscribed already. It's free, doesn't cost anything. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified because I do upload new videos on a regular basis, but really whenever I feel like it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!